Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you need to install the MetaMask wallet if you haven't already. Head to metamask.io and download the extension for your browser. It works on Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Brave. Once installed, click the extension and create a new wallet or import an existing one. Make sure to save your seed phrase somewhere safe because you'll need it if you ever lose access. Step 2. Next, open OPENSEA in your browser and navigate to the top right corner where you'll see a wallet icon. Click it and look for the Connect Wallet option in the drop-down menu. This is where you'll link everything together. Step 3. When you click Connect Wallet, OPENSEA will show you a list of available wallets. Select MetaMask from this list. Your browser will then prompt you with a MetaMask notification asking for permission. Step 4. Review the connection request carefully. MetaMask will ask which accounts you want to connect to OPENSEA. You can choose one or multiple accounts if you have them. Click Approve and you're almost done. Step 5. Finally, verify that you're connected by checking the wallet icon on OPENSEA. It should now display your wallet address instead of the generic icon. Your profile will load and you're ready to start buying, selling, and viewing NFTs on OPENSEA.